Today we decided to try something a little different. Going to Subway and trying one of their Philly steak sandwiches. This is the foot long. It was $10.34 for the foot long, and we added to it oatmeal raisin cookies, 2 for $1.58. So we'll let you know what we think. All right. Here's the big reveal. We kind of separated the sandwich or loosened it up a little bit. The fella that made this did a really good job, but when he cut it in two, naturally the cheeses and everything cause things to stick together. All right, after taking some bites, it's actually really good, and I would say I'd definitely eat this again. I'd give it, I guess, 3.5 forks out of 4. The cookie was very good. The sandwich is really good. Everything was fresh. We asked him to hold the mayo. He did. It just pretty much comes with bell peppers, purple onions, and a pretty good amount of meat, and of course cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese was on it, but good cheese. I think it might have been provolone. But anyways, that's it.